Okay, this is part 2, apparently, of taking apart the Audi Q7 Quattro 2008 MMI board, and I've got everything out, taken apart. Here's everything, and you're going to take off this rubber part here that's supposed to help keep with the waterproofing, and it does not, and you can see how dingy and dirty that is. That is gross. I'm going to shake this thing out, and we're going to take this bad boy out here, and you can see how rusty it is and everything. Hi, how are you? I'm taking my car apart.
Sorry?
I said I'm taking my car apart and fixing the motherboard on it all by myself.
That's impressive.
Thank you.
That could not do that.
Well, they wanted to charge like $6,000 to do it at the Audi place, so I'm just doing it by myself, and I'm trying to make like a little tutorial on how to do it. Well, you know, I'm here. I had to drive up here without this in my car, so I don't know that I'm faring too well either. But looks like we're just gonna put this, let's see, back in there. That slides in perfectly. So this part was $40 on Amazon Prime, and at Audi, this is about $2,500. So then we just stick, because the brilliant...
After my heart, she can fix a car.
Right? Are we engaged now?
we can go ahead. I'm in.
Okay, perfect. Where are we getting married?
You name the time and place.
Okay, maybe Aspen or Vail, something like that.
I'm a Park City guy.
Oh, okay. I'll definitely be a Salt Lake City, Park City girl. Okay. For sure. What's your name?
I'm Alan.
Alan, I'm Kirsten. It's nice to meet you.
Okay.
Yo, so I've already got a fan here. All right, so keep going. All right, so we don't need that anymore. We don't need that anymore. And we now have to put this back together. So we have to do things
With all the holes in it?
the opposite. Yep, and we're going to stick this right back in there. And we're going to clip all the little clips. They just clip back together now. And then we're going to take the silver screws. I'm videoing this as we speak. And I had to come up here and get a T20 screwdriver. And we're going to righty-tighty. And let's see, get that back in. And, uh-oh, wait, that's not the one that goes there. Sorry, people that are watching. But nobody's going to watch this. That's the funny part about it. The silver screws go in, not there. I don't think. I think it goes right here. Under this warranty thing that I've peeled off. But we don't care because this is a 2008 and we're going to drive it till the wheels fall off, right? It's a perfect car for Park City. My new fiance's out here watching me. His name is Alan. We're trying to plan a wedding while I fix my car. And then the other silver ones.
Does it work without it?
What's that? The car will work without it, yeah. It just, so what's been happening is some water spilled down in there, and only my CD player sort of works. Like, I can't get the navigation to work. I can't get the radio to work. I haven't had a radio in forever. And today I just said, you know what? Today's the day. We're going to get this done. It's warm out, even though it's the day after Christmas. Do you celebrate Christmas, or are you Jewish, or you are? I love a Jewish man. I'm Buddhist, sort of, so I'll take a Jewish man all day, every day. Alan's a really good guy, y'all. We're really liking him. Let's get this bobby pin out of here. There's another warranty sticker.
How do you know if it works?
Well, we're going to figure out, Alan, when we put it back together. So we've got that. Now let's go back and put this in here. And then we're going to go and take these screws and put them in. Gosh. All right, here we go. Alan's making me a little nervous. He's a hottie, and he's just sitting here watching me. Even though we're engaged, I should be used to him by now, since we're soon to be married. Alan, I haven't even taken a shower today. It's awful. It's okay. I'm a car mechanic, or whatever. Electronic, whatever it's called, person. Let's see. That looks like it would go there. It's going to be literally a miracle if this works. Like, I'm just going to hoot and holler and jump up and down and scream and yell for joy. And my child and her friends are going to be the most happy, so they don't have to listen to my live CDs from 1996 and 98. I have one from Park City, Utah, from Widespread Panic. I don't know if you know who they are.
I'm very impressive.
Somehow missing a screw that goes right there. Where did it go? It's probably fallen down in there. But don't you think it'll work without it? Okay, so we've lost a screw, but I mean, I always have had a screw loose anyway, so whatever. All right, so now we're going to go backwards and put this back in. I broke that little thing off, but we don't care. And then now we're going to go and put, I think we're at the end of this, believe it or not. Let's see, that looks like it goes that way. Clip that in. And then pull this. Ooh, look, we just had a light come on, and I don't even have the key in the car. Okay, and then these. What's that? Yeah, there's the sister of that one on this side too. Let's see which way it goes. It looks like it could go either way. All right, this is it's not good on your back to do that sideways like that. Doing it like this, that one's in, and now let's see here, where's that little fella? Okay, I can't see. Come on. Almost there. Hold on, my video camera thing is right here. Yikes, no. All right. I'm sure people were loving to look underneath my arms. Maybe I should come on that side. Wait, unlock the door. Hi, Ellen. How are you? Nice to see you too. Oh, my car didn't unlock with the... Let's see. There we go. all by myself, I just like said, let's do this. All right. There's always like that one thing that won't work. There we go. Oh my gosh. Okay.
You have that plug that goes through.
What plug where?
It's down the bottom of the thing.
It's plugged in.
It's plugged in.
Yeah. Okay. And now we're gonna put these suckers back on. And CD, let's see if we can get car. Oh, it's actually starting to work. Oh my gosh, where did my little thing go for the car knob? Here we go, for this, the radio. Yep, okay. And now we're going to, I don't know. Here, Alan's gonna hold this. Okay, thank you, Alan. Okay, and we're gonna get water. It's important to stay hydrated. Okay, and does that look like that just would fit in there? That, I feel like I'm missing a part right there, don't you? There we go.
It stretches back.
Okay. Oh, I know what I'm missing right here. I just saw it. This piece. Can you believe I just did all this? Oh, wait, we're filming the seat. Okay. We're putting it back together, slowly but surely. There's a little thing to guide it. It doesn't really want to. Oh my god, this is just amazing right now. I'm so impressed with myself, I can't even stand it. Okay, I'm gonna put this in neutral. Put that back on. Alan, I've just. Look at this. Okay. All right. Hold on. Look at this. It's working. FM. We've got, I don't know, it's been so long. Oh, here's me and Alan's song for our wedding night. Woo! There's Alan, everybody. This is amazing. I've literally done it with the help of Alan. I cannot believe this. This is amazing. I'm overwhelmed. So once again, this was for an Audi Q7 2008. It's the Quattro. And we did it. Yay!